Hello, my name is Gursimranjit Singh. This is my project Meal app. In this project, we have three files. One folder static that hold one logo image. First file index.html, second file style.css, third file script.js. In index.html, head tag contains some meta tag that show information about page to the SEO search engine optimization. Second, link main CSS file. Third, link phontosum kit. Next, title. Next, starting body section in header tag navbar. This is contain logo and title page. Next, this form contains input box and search button. Next, this div contains my favorite meal heading. Next, start main section. This div container contains search meal and heading. Next, this div contains meal details. Next, this div contains meal content. Next, this div contains meal page and button. This div contains favorite meal list and last link main JavaScript file. Next file styles.css. In the top, this is for remove default margin, padding and select fonts and box sizing. Next body formatting. Next heading scroll bar to the home page. Next start header section. This is for navbar styling and formatting. Next, form formatting. Next, website logo styling. Next, this for website name styling. Next, this for website title and general description setting and formatting. Next, search box formatting. Next, search button styling. Next, search button hover styling. Next box text box and button styling. Next navbar link styling. Next navbar link hover. Next start main section stylings. Main meal container formatting. Next recipe card formatting and styling. Next recipe card hover styling. Next recipe card meal image setting. Next recipe meal name setting. Next recipe meal description setting. Next recipe meal description word highlight. Next recipe card meal button. Next recipe card meal button hover style. Next start view detail page styling. View meal detail formatting and styling. Next view meals content formatting. Next details page meal name styling. Detail page meal ingredient list formatting. Next meal details page recipe ingredient formatting. Next pop-up page close button styling. Next pop-up page close button hover styling. Next adding scroll bar to view details pop-up. Next start favorite page styling. Favorite meal container pop-up formatting and styling. Next favorite meal card container. Next favorite meal card styling. Next favorite meal card hover. Next favorite meal card image setting. Next favorite meal card email meal name setting. Next favorite meal card description styling. Next favorite meal card description word highlight. Next favorite meal card remove button styling. Next favorite meal card remove card button hover styling. Next heading scroll bar to favorite page pop-up. Next, responsive code. Next file, script.js. Retrieve meals from local storage. Next function to save favorite meal to local storage. Next function to add favorite meal to the favorite page and local storage. Next function to remove meal from favorites page. Next function to check if meal is already in favorite. Next function to create favorite meal atom. Inner in this function add event listener for move button. Next function to display favorite meals on page. Next selectors for search box, meal container, search button, view details, view content, view detail close button, favorite meal heading, favorite meal container, favorite meal list, favorite meal close button. Next function to get meals from API. Inner function create recipe meal card. Next create button for favorite meal details. Next adding event listener for meal detail button. Next create button for add meals in favorite page. Next adding event listener for add favorite meal button. Next function to fetch ingredient and measurement. Next function to open detail page pop-up. Inner adding event listener for view detail meal page. Next adding event listener for favorite meal page heading to open favorite meal page. Next function to favorite page pop-up. Next function for favorite page pop-up close button. Next adding event listener for search button. Next display favorite meals call.